In this video, you will learn how to use the document camera to display documents for classroom projection. We'll begin by touching the touchscreen display and selecting Document Camera. Your lectern will double as the document camera base. Place your documents on the lectern, and if you're wondering where the camera is, it's hidden above you in the ceiling. Your document will be displayed on the projector as such. If you need to make adjustments, use the touchscreen display to rotate, focus, and zoom on your document. This concludes our video instruction where we learned how to view and adjust documents placed on top of the lectern, where they can be displayed for the classroom to see through this large screen projector. Thank you for your time and have a great day.